Hello everyone, welcome to our yet another video of how to transfer money from credit card to bank account. This is the part 2 video of the previous video we have created and shared it with you about the credit card to bank account money transfer using the rent options and education fees option. So using the housing app, we have created a video about how to transfer money from credit card to bank account using the rent or the education fees. But this is an updated video, as I said, and this is as per the latest update from Reserve Bank of India effective September 15. There is an update saying that you can't use the credit card to bank account money transfer using the rent option. So as I told you earlier in the previous video as well, and that's option already got removed from several other banks like RBL Bank, which I am using currently, and I used to do that rent payment several months back, but then the bank rejected about saying rent option not available for the credit card to bank account. Okay, so I used to update that information in my every video. However, few banks are still giving the rent payment option, but as per the official information, the update from Reserve Bank of India, that option is removed effective September 15. So you can use that rent option to make the money transfer from your credit card to bank account. So in case if you have that option, no worries, it might get removed. But I got you some other few more options. You can easily go ahead and transfer money from your credit card to bank account using this option. So the new option, what I'm saying is the same, the first menu, the pay on credit. So I'm going to click on the pay on credit. So after selecting the pay and credit option, I can see three options here, house rent, office rent, and more categories. I'm going to select the more categories option here, and I can see that house rent, office rent also available, but then it will be gradually removed from this app sometime later, I believe a week or so. So as of now, they have removed from housing app with the education fees and tuition fees, because that will also get included as like house rent option, so that will also get removed. And currently we have the option called security deposit, booking, token, and maintenance and brokerage. So you can either one of these options, you can use that to make the money transfer from your credit card to your bank account. And currently, just for example, I'm going to select the security deposit option. Quickly we'll go through that, and I can see that security option, that's the first step, and it's asking for the money, and I am entering, just for example, 20,000 I have entered already. So I'm just selecting the terms and condition option. I'm just clicking on that and then selecting continue, and you can see that the UPI number, it's already registered to make the money transfer, because I used to do the UPI money transfer using the number. That will be a little faster than the other options. But in case if you have the UPI ID with the confirmed number which you are already using it, then it's not an issue. But in case if you have the bank account and the IFSC code, that will be far better than the UPI ID as well. That I'll tell you, you can use that bank details and you can make the money transfer. So I'm just entering the UPI ID which I already entered, and I'm clicking continue on this space. I'm seeing that the step 3 asking for the invite code. I'm just entering the GP66. This is already used by me, so that it's asking only one time it can be used. But this code you can use it, so you can use the GP66 app when you, the invite code, GP66 invite code, when you trying to make the money transfer in the invite code section, and click apply, so you will get some cashbacks on it. And I'm just clicking on it. So for 20,000 I'm getting the total supposed to be paid only 19,786, and however you can see some little bit increase in amount when I'm doing the final payment. So I'll show you that that's the 1.5% of the interest from the total 20,000 amount what we are expecting to make the money. But this is because this is the nominal rate, that 1.5% it will be added every UPI to make the money transfer from credit card to bank account. But then that will get refunded as this guy says, that housing app. So I'm just clicking on the total paid 19,786, and I can see that the final step asking me about the card number and other details. So once if I enter the details, I'll go ahead with the getting OTP number, and that's it. So the money will be transferred to my account. But then remember that money is not an instant transfer, but I can honestly tell you it will take a day or 2 days. Okay, the 2 days is the maximum. You can see that message displayed when you're trying to make the money transfer. You can see the date and time when it will get transferred. Trust me, I tried to transfer 1,000 rupees earlier, and I can see that the date what they are mentioned in the app and the time after that I got the money. So that's roughly 2 days. I mean, If I transfer today, means tomorrow and day after tomorrow evening I'll get the money. So that's the thing I want to update about the RBI, the new rules. So make use of it wisely, and don't use too much of credit card. That's my humble advice for you all, as per my experience since 10 years using the credit card. And hope this video you have enjoyed, and this is a useful video for you, and share it to your friends, and like. Don't forget to subscribe and give a comment. Whatever the comment you can just give, good, bad, or okay, or useful, whatever the comment. This because that's makes more search engine optimizations process. I mean, this will goes more people. Okay, so when they search about the credit card to bank account money transfer. So thank you for your time. Have a great day. Please comment your application request, whatever, if you want a review. So we'll meet it in the next video review. Thank you. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.